We'll guide you through how to download and install the Facebook Messenger mobile app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because to go and use the messaging part of Facebook, you need to go and have Messenger. So we're going to go and get it and you can go and start using it. Make sure it's his full guide and let's go and get started. So what you need to do is you need to go and find your phone store. On an iPhone, it's the App Store. On an Android, it is the Play Store. So what you then want to do is go and tap on it to open it up. Head to the bottom and you're going to see a row of options. And what you then need to do is go and find the option for search and you can go and tap there. Go to the top to the search bar and tap there. And then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for Messenger. So you want to go and tap on it like so and type it in like so. And then what you can do is go and tap on it like this and it's going to go and load. Here it is at the top, Messenger. You can see we've got the install option, which you can then go and tap. On some devices, it may go and say get. And now it's going to go and start. You can go and see the progress at the top here. As you can see, it's quick, but it will go and depend upon your internet connection. We'll just wait for it to install. And it shouldn't be much longer. When it's finished, it will go and say open. But you can also come out of here and you can swipe up and we can swipe across and go and find it here. As you can see, you can tap and hold on it and we can go and add it to the home. Then you can tap on it and we're going to be able to go and log in with our Facebook account.